Hi guys, good morning. Yan, so Sunday today. And makikita nyo, yung kortina ko kahapon, nilabhan ko siya at saka doon din sa kabila. Hindi ko siya drenyer, hinang ko lang. So, at saka dyan din sa upuan namin. So, mamaya i-iron ko yan. Tapos yung white, lalabhan ko din later. Yan, madali lang kasi ihahang mo lang siya. Hindi mo siya kailangan i-iron. Tapos dito, naglinis ako lahat kahapon. Yung mga tanim ko, nadiligan. Tapos, basta, sa kahapon din yung harap at saka sa likod nadiligan ko din. So, ngayon, lalabas si Bana, gagawin niya yung yung garden. Tapos, gumagawa ko ngayon ng poached eggs. Ayan. Pero gamit ko yung parang may tray. Nice weather today. Mas mainit pa ata kaysa kahapon. So, maglilinis kami ng garden. Sophia's playing bowls. What's your hair in your eyes now? Sophia, what will you eat? There's no bacon. What do you want to eat now? Your cereal? Huh? Huh? What's she looking for?
I don't know.
What you looking for? Yeah?
Fingers.
Sophia will have Sophia and you will have soup. It's enough, it's enough. Oh, should put something there. Butter. Yeah, but the yellow is... Oh, it's not bad if you just lift it. Yeah, I need to take a photo of that. Open it then put it in the sink. Okay. Okay, let's try the Biko. Sophia's also first time for the Biko. Tapos may latik ako guys, so ang dami. Oh. Maike pagkalatik. Hindi ko ilagay sa Biko kasi hindi naman to naglalatik sila. I'll give Sophia first a small piece.
A very small piece.
A small piece for my baby. Yes. Where's your na? Ito yung piece niya.
Small pieces.
Yeah. Slowly. Yeah?
Something different.
Is it nice? Hmm? Huh? What? been a long time that I've made biko. Ano to eh, one of Bana's favorite.
No. Cassava.
One of your favorite, I said.
Favorite is cassava.
Kasaba, Juday. Magkasaba ako guys, pero hindi mo na ngayon kaya ang dami pang pagkain. Ayan, lagyan ko ng latik. Oh, grabe. Nalabian ata ni ba? Nalabian pero okay lang. Oh, cheat day na naman. Is it sweet enough? Oh,
It's okay
it's okay.
for me.
Oh, Sophia wants more.
She needs to finish what's in your mouth first.
Finish first knock what's in your mouth.
Finish that first.
Kabi latik guys, oh. So, ito lang is snack. Ilang araw. Naning kamot ka og latik. Ha? Not a lot, okay? She's doing what I did. Is it nice?
If it's sweet, of course it is.
Is it nice, the fish? Is it nice? She did what... So, since bumili si Bana ng spring onions, I'm going to use it para itanim ko. OMG. So, ayan na guys. 5 sana to. Tinapon pa naman yung dito. Ito yung kailangan ko. So, tignan natin kung mag-survive ito. Pag madami na daw, first time ko to pag madami na daw roots dito, pwede na daw itanim, ilipat. So, ayan. Sana hindi niya kainin. So, ayan, tignan niyo. Ayan, nilagay ko konting water lang daw. So, lagay ko lang siya dito sa kitchen para makita. Ayan. Tapos, maglilinis ako dito, guys, para... Tapos maglinis din ako sa garden. So, meron akong in-order, guys. Para sa halaman kasi wala akong lalagyan. Pero maliit lang pala to. 50 cm lang to. Ayan. Ayan. Eto. Eto pinadeliver ko. 3 piraso lang. Oh, sana dinamihan ko pala. Ayan siya. Para sa aking lettuce. Ayan. Oh, may ano. May freebie. So, ayan guys. Trabaho ni Bana. Hindi pa tapos. Dito kami sa likod.
No.
Just leave her. She's playing.
Not here.
Oh.
Because I'm in and out, lifting, carrying, and if I drop it...
Guys, ang dami naming bulbs na nakita, oh. Pero hindi namin alam kung ano to, but I think it's a violet something type of a flower. So, iriripat ko siya, replant ko siya. Ayan, dama-dami. Para hindi na ako bumili. This one too, yeah. Ayan, oh.